This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg BLF01 blender. The Smeg blender has been specifically designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning, ensure that the blender is cool to touch and unplugged from the power source. Firstly, to clean the motor base, wipe down using a soft, damp cloth with a mild detergent. To clean the blender jug and blades, remove the jug from the base and take off the lid. Pop the measuring cup out from the centre of the lid. The cap has grooves located on the edge. These are used to unlock the blades from the base of the jug. Turn the jug upside down and place it on a flat surface. Insert the open end of the measuring cap into the base of the blade assembly, so the grooves on the cap align with the notches on the base. Unscrew the blades from the jug body by turning the measuring cap anti-clockwise. Remove the blades carefully from the jug body using your hand. Both the jug and the measuring cap can be washed in the dishwasher or washed in warm soapy water. The jug must be placed in the upright position in the dishwasher with the blades removed. Both the lid and the blades must be washed in warm soapy water. Take extra care when washing the blades. Thoroughly dry all the components and put the blade unit back into the jug body following the same method as the removal in the reverse order. Ensure the blade unit is securely locked into place using the measuring cap. For a lighter daily clean, the blender jug and blade unit can be cleaned using the self-clean option. Firstly, half fill the jug with warm water and mild detergent. Turn the control dial to setting 1. Press the start button and then press the pulse button for 2 seconds at a time. Repeat the process about 10 times. Remove the jug, empty and rinse it. Dry thoroughly before reassembling and storing away. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.